Today we're going to be doing a tour of room 304. This is a king suite. Now this one here actually has a little bit of a different setup than Holiday Inns. So right here we have the refrigerator, we have a microwave, we have the usual Keurig, all right, with some cups. We got 3 coffees. We've got the ability to have cups and stuff here, just like a little ensuite. All right, it's got storage down here, storage down there. Inside the bathroom, it has a very high faucet and sink. They do have little doves here, the bar soap and the body lotion. Wow. They've got 2 hand towels, 2 bath towels. We've got 2 rolls of toilet paper and an extra roll of toilet paper down there. We've got the hair dryer, elongated toilet with good seating area here. Has a regular trash can. We have a nice shower head sitting at about 6 foot. I'm 6'5", so I'll duck a little bit for this, but you can put it up. Stand at about 6 foot. Pretty nice little shower in here. They have the usual shower gel shampoo and conditioner by J.R. Watkins. See? This one here does have some scale on it. Has decent water pressure. This one here is one that you're able to change. So you have this one. All right, here we have a bench as well as the place where you're able to put your suitcase. Right here we have a about a 32-inch TV here. That's an LCD screen. It's not an LED. We've got some storage here. We have, oh my gosh, we have a standing and a sitting desk. You don't see that very often, so you have the ability to sit here as a desk, and you can have a standing desk for work. You have a light with 2 power receptacles here, on and off switch, regular phone. We also have the high-speed internet here with 2 more plugs. We have the AC. We have a little table, breakfast table here with 2 chairs. We have another little chair here with a work table or a TV tray table and an ottoman. A second TV here with a desk with drawers, coffee table, pull-out couch, which is a queen size pull-out couch. And we have another light back here that has a power plug and a light, and a second AC unit. Wow. All right, we've got a king-size bed here. Feels like it's the usual king-size bed for the Holiday Inn Express and Suites. We have the soft pillows and the firm pillows. We have lights on either side of the bed. They have 2 light switches and a power plug on each one of them. The second switch is a reading light for your book, and you also have a second lamp. We have the nightstands here. Nothing inside the nightstands, but you do have storage. And we have an alarm clock here on this side, and nothing on the storage as well.